Ever seen a Tahoe do figure eights? My beautiful wife won't let me have anything, but like, you know, you have to get the family car, so we gotta upgrade it.
It's a little different than a sports car.
Yeah, it's a little bit different. 6,500 pounds, you know?
Nice.
Nice.
Super nice.
It's awesome. The guys at Hennessey did an awesome job. It's daily driver, so dragging around my kids, but it's going to be a lot more fun now. Aaron, Alex, Dorothy, just everybody at the front desk. Everybody was awesome throughout the whole experience. So it took about 3 weeks start to finish, and I got a brand new Tahoe. Expect like the best these guys have, right? And they'll guide you through the whole process and like make sure you're getting the right stuff.